Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to unblock someone in line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, you will be redirected to the settings page. But as you guys can see, there are lots and lots of options. But right now, all you guys have to do is focus on this one thing called as Friends. It is under the General tab. Just below Album, you can find it. Click on it right now. Once you do that, under the Manage Friends section, you can see the Hidden Account tab and the Blocked Account tab. Simply click on the second option. And guys, this is it. This is the person that I had previously blocked. Now let's look at how to unblock them. Simply click on the Edit button associated with the person. And that is it. Do note that you can simply delete it or unblock. Right now we want to unblock them, so I'm simply gonna click on unblock. And that's it guys. That's how we unblock someone in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.